In front of me is HUAWEI Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select display and home screen and wallpaper, right above display and brightness. And here you can pick either some from themes, wallpapers. Also you can choose one of your own photos, but let me pick a wallpaper album. And now smoothly choose, for example, this one. And if you would like to apply it, just tap on confirmation mark and decide if you want it to cover your lock screen, home screen, or both of them. I will pick both, and as you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both home screen and also lock screen of this Honor. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.